Hello, I'm Greg. Welcome to my channel, Midnight Oil Software, where I talk about game development using Unity. In this video, I'm going to give you a little quality of life hack that saved me a lot of time with my game development. You know, it seems every Unity tutorial you watch, they always do the same thing. Every time they create a new C# script, the very first thing they do is they go and they delete the boilerplate code that's added automatically. Well, with this little tip, that code gets deleted for you and you don't have to do it manually. It's very simple. All you got to do is open up your favorite text editor. I'm just going to use Notepad, but you need to run it as administrator because the folder that we're going to go into is under your program folders, and you need administrative privileges in order to edit it. And this is under Windows. It's going to be different if you're on a Mac. But if you open up under program files, you'll see these different folders that correspond to the different versions of Unity that you have installed. And you will need to do this for every version of Unity that you use, but you only need to do it once for each version. Now I'm using Unity 2021.3.13F1. So if I go into that corresponding folder under Editor, Data, Resources, Script Templates, there are templates for the different types of scripts you might create. And you can edit these. So I'm going to edit this one, 81-C# script, new behavior script.cs.text. This is the template that's used whenever you create a new monobehavior script. So as you can see, it's got all this boilerplate code that everybody always goes and deletes when they first create a script. So I'm going to delete these lines here, and I'm going to delete these lines here. And I'm going to save that. Now I did have to be running as administrator or it would not have let me save it. Now if I go back into Unity and I right click here and I create a new C# script, and I'm just going to call this test, you'll see that all that boilerplate code is not present. So there you go. So you can use this technique not just to delete the boilerplate code, but you can also use it to add code to your script if it's something that you always do when you create a new script. So I'll give you an example. First, I'll start by deleting this test script. And then I'm going to open up another copy of Notepad as administrator. And I'm going to open up that script again, that script template. And I'm just going to paste in some code here that maybe it's a weird example, but let's say you always cache the rigid body in a new script. It's not something I do, but maybe that's something that you always do. I know Ziggurat does this a lot in his tutorials. So now if I go and create a new script, we'll again call it test. You can see that it's added that code to our script. So there you go. A nice, simple quality of life hack that can save you time by deleting the boilerplate code and maybe adding any other initialization code that you like to include in your scripts. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and click that like and subscribe button. It really does help me to grow my channel, and I want to get this content in front of as many people as possible. And if you have any questions or comments about anything you see on my channel, drop a comment below, or better yet, pop over to my Discord server. I'll put a link in the description, and post any questions that you have there. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck on your game development journey.